In this video tech tip, I'll go over a workaround for one of the limitations of the AutoCAD layer translator command by using a script to reassign named plot styles to layers in a drawing file. A recent search of the Autodesk forum post mentioned an existing limitation with plot styles and the layer translate command. The layer translate tool maps existing drawing layers to a predefined set of layer standards from a drawing, template, or CAD standards file. In the live dialog box, the available properties can be manually mapped and translated. For future use, the mapped layers can also be saved to an output file. The limitation here is that once saved and reloaded, the plot style column does not update, leaving the plot style assignments for all layers blank, which defaults them to normal. Rather than manually setting the plot styles one by one, we can leverage a script to do that automatically. Since the plot styles are already defined in the source drawing that was used for mapping, the script itself can be created quickly using a spreadsheet. Let's take a look at how we can leverage a spreadsheet for scripting the plot style assignments. The spreadsheet here has been set up with two tabs. The first is used for copying and pasting information from the AutoCAD layer properties, and is currently blank. The second tab is used to generate the script content by referencing the data from the first tab. The reference cells on the second tab have already been linked to the proper rows and columns to populate the data once it's pasted in from AutoCAD. With the CAD standards drawing open, copy all of the content from the Layer Properties Manager and paste it into the Layer Properties tab of the spreadsheet. Use Ctrl+C after selecting all layers here, since the copy option is not available from the right-click menu in AutoCAD. Back in the spreadsheet, switch to the Script Generation tab and autofill as needed to populate the remaining cells and columns. Clear out any extra values and your script content is generated. The last step is to copy the content from the spreadsheet into a notepad document to generate the script file. One thing of note here is that if your plot style names have spaces in them, you'll need to add quotation marks for it to be recognized by the script. With the spreadsheet open, copy and paste the content from the tab into a blank notepad document. I've already added the quotation marks here, so they've been applied to the script file as I paste it into Notepad. After saving the drawing, we'll make sure that the extension is .scr and our script file is ready to use. If you're starting from a blank Notepad document, it might be a .txt, at which point you'll have to manually change the file extension to .scr. Back in AutoCAD, we have a drawing file that's been layer translated with a file that was pre-saved and loaded back into the drawing. In this case, the plot styles are all set to normal here because of the limitation that we discussed earlier. Now that we have our script file prepared, all we need to do to update the plot styles is simply drag and drop it into the drawing. A quick drag and drop of the script file into our drawing reassigns all of the plot styles, and everything is back to normal and ready to go based on our CAD standards. Because the script file is set up to assign plot styles based off of our CAD standards, the script can be reused on any file that the layer translator tool is applied to. This should save you a lot of time and provide a workaround for the limitation within the layer translate command. Thanks for watching.